morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be planning for July 4th through the 10th in my Erin Condren Focus Planner. Let's start. All right, so 4th of July, Independence Day. We're going to put this sticker right here. Now these are Happy Planner stickers. I tend to like to use Happy Planner stickers in my Focus Planner because I feel I have these two sides to decorate, and I like that. It gives me a little bit of creativity to, creativity, which I need to kind of balance out everything else that's going on. So we are just going to do this and see what happens. I don't know what else I have to use here. Just some colors. I just pulled some random stickers today because I don't even know what I want to use. I just had these few like 4th theme stickers here for the 4th, and then these are ones that were with that. I mean, they don't really like go with anything. I mean, this probably doesn't even. I could just cut this one out, stick it on top here too, or behind it. Let's kind of do some randomness here. Anything going on these days? 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. I think I have some bills due on this day, so we can put these here and put the bills there. Why not? Okay, we really don't want flamingos. Stick this today on here. And we have one red star left. Where do we want that little red star? Maybe I'll just kind of stick that right in here. Anything else? I love summer. I don't love summer, so I'm not going to put that on there. And I really don't want love hearts for anything. Sweet. Don't know what go with sweet. Get it done. Really don't think any of these are useful. So we'll just toss them aside and see. And I have this one too, because I was looking for some navy. I haven't looked at these books in a long time. There's these nice black boxes, but you know, I'm just doing some random decorating. And here's a nice blue, but it's off from this color. I don't really, the blue's different, unless I want to stick this maybe over on this side to bring some of the navy in over here. Oop. Oh no, look at, I lost my later sticker on right there. It's stuck and folded. I might have to take another one. I think there's more. I think there's more, we'll be fine. Let's see if there's something else I can use to cover up that notes. Could use this confetti too. Kind of stick this on 4th of July. Like how? I don't really want to cover. Give it a little sparkle. I don't like this quote. Kind of like this quote. I could, can you see this? I think I could stick it all the way onto this and make it our own little like sticker. I don't like how that's underneath there. Used a page up. wonder if I can make this a little bit shorter. I can get this off of here. Pull it up. And then, ooh, don't rip it. Don't rip it. I did rip it. But if I could shorten it up so that you can read that part. So that means I have to cut this straight, which may not be easy. And then piece it back together with this. I get that lined up. Is that straight, kind of, sort of, maybe? All right, so that's not so bad. Of course, got to put something there too, so let's keep going and seeing what we could find. I don't have a meeting or a day off or due today. Well, this is day off. We don't want pink. We do not want pink. Gets to go do this here. But then that won't quite fit on there. Like that. Because this is a big box over here. If I should take that off there, put important instead on there, just to bring some of that black in here. Wish it said remember or something instead. Oh, look at, don't need the black, but yet yeah, I'm going to. I had a navy one I saw, but we need the black in here more than we need the navy. Because there's like, you know, it's very bold over there. I could put set goals over notes. Because I do need to set some new goals. And then I'll go back to that now and not later. And I have these two little bullet points here. I could stick these on Thursday for two things to write down. Okay, be great to find some more red, but okay, thinking that these colors all are not going to be good. Yeah. Another navy. We have a lot of navy in here. We don't need any more. No. These are kind of weird stickers. They are. Movie night, bucket list on my desk. That's what I probably should put for Tuesday because I'm sure there's going to be stuff I got to take care of after the 4th. And then I pulled out their encourager, thinking there could be, oh, there's red lips in here. You know what? This would be kind of funny. To stick this here. It's kind of like, you know, like, oh, I agree, or like a, I don't know. Just a funny thing. All right, this book is totally falling apart. Unless I put this over here to balance out the lips on the other side. Okay, let's check this one real quick. It's not actually too bad. I just want like a little more of something. Hopefully we can find it. This is a wrong book. I mean, we have a little bit of gold in here, but I don't really need any more boxes, do I now? We could have dinner plans on Thursday. Sometimes that happens. We could put a get to work, because I do need that. I don't want to put this one right there. I mean, I do have this, but where can we put that? Maybe up here to give a little more color or something. Oop, to-da. We don't want to say to-da, we want to say today. I could just trim that down too. I don't know if that will work or not. Or we could just put it way over in the corner. How does that look? Maybe. Today is the day. Today is what day? I have no idea. I have that in red. Unless I want to put that, but nothing's. What's to say July 8th is the day? I don't know. I could put this one in there, maybe. That one works. Good, you know, kind of play off that one. What about if I add some black? That one or this one? That one looks a little bit not right. This is very narrow, but I can maybe put it up here if I can get it to stay there. Kind of ties it in nice. Now if I can line that up, do we put it, where does it go? Maybe like right there. Line up pretty close there. And then we could maybe put a little bit along here. There, I think this is tying this in really well. Should I try and put a little bit right here next to her? Because it might look funny if I don't. And then continue over here. All right, doesn't look too bad for kind of like a hodgepodge of stickers. But I got my 4th of July on there, and let me know if you keep your old stickers. How do you use them up? Because I have so many old ones laying around that I really need to use. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.